Hey, happy Wednesday, everybody. Mark again here, WeatherMan Plus. Now I'm going to update you on this ice storm. It just keeps getting stronger. Matter of fact, today is the strongest day of the ice storm because it has big banding coming in today with heavy ice coming in. Plus, you're going to have crippling power outages for today, and it's already hitting y'all so much. So you already have a lot of freezing rain coming down now, especially for Austin, and you're having the storms because there is going to be a stormy side for tomorrow. There's a chance for tornadoes. I will show you the information, but I'm going to show you all the updated information because today is going to be one of the heaviest days. Plus, we do have the giveaway for today. Make sure you tune in because I have changed the word. And happy February to everybody. Today is the 1st of February. So they have a lot of key messages on the updates on the impacts that you're going to further get in your area, not just all together. This is extra. So for additional ice all the way till Thursday, if you are in this dark red, you are getting 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch of additional ice coming down. And that is crippling impacts, guys. That is widespread damage and widespread power outage. The red right here is 1/4 to 1/2 inch further ice coming down all the way in Oklahoma, even some still for Arkansas, and that is damaging impacts. That is isolated power outages. There is going to be a lot more power outages for today. And now you can see everybody that is in the ice storm warning. It has grown to its biggest yet. Plus, prolonged power outages and further tree damage is expected. So take DFW for an example. You can see in the purple region that you need to prepare for tree limb breakage, localized power outages, and any roads that was not drivable through yesterday will likely become impassable for today. For the pink area, additional sleet and freezing rain will result in hazardous travel through Thursday morning. And they do give you examples of what you should have going for you to make sure you are as safe as possible through this event. So I'll put this link in the description for all of you. So all you got to do is go click on your area and it'll tell you exactly what you can expect from National Weather Service. And I'm trying to be as fast as possible because power outages are flying out. Right now you have Arkansas at 10,000. Texas is at 142,000. When we refresh, you'll see that they're already at 174,000. Even California getting on it, even Puerto Rico. This is going to heighten your power outages. It is going to go out a lot more than you are getting right now. And the whole time you've been getting all this precipitation coming off this low off the southwest while this jet stream was just steadily going. But as soon as it gets in that jet stream, it's going to pull it away and it's going to be over. But this is literally going to be the worst part. This is where the big banding is going to come into factor, and that's all going to freeze. And you can see your temperatures. The whole U.S. is cold, single digits, negative temperatures, even in the 20s in a lot of places. But just speaking for the ice storm, you can see as you go through today, as everybody else warms up, y'all going to stay in those freezing temperatures until tonight. So all day long, you're going to be frozen, and all this precipitation is going to freeze. And this is the heaviest of the banding so far. So as the bowling ball comes on through, it's bringing all this precipitation before it finally gets pulled away into the jet stream. That's why this is going to be one of the worst days, because you have all this heavy banding coming into factor, guys. We're talking a lot. It is all going to freeze as it comes through. And all that purple right there is heavy amounts of freezing rain. And we're talking the heaviest possible, up to 1 inch dropping with this purple. This is where the crippling comes into effect. As you go to this afternoon, it's going to be all over DFW. Remember, DFW, I was the first one to tell y'all about this ice storm where everybody was showing the Euro, showing it hitting west. I've been telling you for almost a week now that this was going to hit y'all. And y'all have a lot of heavy banding coming y'all way as well, all the way to 7 o'clock tonight. Very heavy banding of freezing rain that is going to add up in the DFW and give y'all the level of crippling power outages. It is going to add up to a lot. Then as you go for tomorrow morning, it is going to add up to some snow on a wraparound. So with the heavy banding coming on in and all this going to freeze because y'all going to be frozen all day, this is really going to add up. And all the way until 1 and 2 o'clock for tomorrow, you have it all the way over 1 inch. Over 1 inch. That dark red is over 1.25 inches, almost 1.5 inches. So a lot of places is going to see this heavy banding. It's going to give them serious power outages. What you have now is nothing compared to what is coming all over Texas and especially the DFW. The Canadian model has always showed that y'all are going to get this heavy precipitation come in for Wednesday, and it's showing true, guys. So please heed the warning. Today is going to be the worst day. And once you get into tomorrow morning, as the system pushes east, then it's going to drop the snowfall. And it's major snowfall. It's 3 to 5 inches, but that purple right there is anywhere from 6 to 9 inches of snowfall. So there's definitely going to be some snow coming after all this freezing rain. So it's going to be on top of it. You won't see the ice. But you will have chances for tornadoes tomorrow as the system pushes on shore. You have a big 2%. It's for Mobile, Alabama, Tallahassee, Florida, Gulfport, Mississippi, Dothan, Alabama, and Pensacola, Florida. Now you can see with HRRR that your lift, your cape is not super strong for tomorrow. So if anything, it'll be right on the coast of southern Louisiana and a little bit of Alabama and Panhandle of Florida as you go through tomorrow. A very low chance. There's not a lot of lift, but there is a lot of wind direction change with height in the photographs. So if it taps into any of this lift, it could be a quick spin up. But this will result in flash flooding. For today, you have a marginal for flash flooding from Houston all the way to Louisiana, Jackson, Mississippi, all the way to southern Arkansas. For tomorrow, this is going to grow with the flash flooding. Then you got a big slight risk and a marginal going all the way to South Carolina. But the slight risk is all the way from Louisiana all the way to Atlanta for tomorrow. So this is going to add up. And so far till Friday afternoon, National Weather Service is picking up an inch for eastern Texas, and it starts going towards 2 inches as it goes from northern Louisiana, Mississippi, central Alabama, plus South Carolina and North Carolina. Everybody's going to get in on this rainfall and your chance for flash flooding. So remember, I do have these weather stations. I'm giving another one away today. You have to be a subscriber. You have to hit the like button, and you have to put the word in the comment section. Now, I have changed the word to WeatherMan for today for this giveaway. A lot of people have been tuning in just to put the word radar in the comments and clicking off the video, and it's stopping me from reaching people and alerting them to these impacts. It really kills the video. YouTube sees that your watch time is 30 seconds long and it don't suggest it. So remember, if you want to get one for today, put the word WeatherMan. If you want to know who don't watch the videos, watch who puts radar. Now this freezing rain is coming in all day long, especially by the southwest, Fort Stockton, Midland, Abilene, Eden. But now it's going towards Dallas by noontime, and it's going to be there all afternoon long, all the way to 9 and 10 o'clock. Still have freezing rain coming down even overnight to 2 o'clock in the morning. Then it starts dissipating. The warm temperatures start coming in a little bit. Those cool temperatures get pulled out. Still getting some freezing rain and you're still getting some ice, but now you're getting the thunderstorms, and that will be different than what you've been getting. Then you got the snow coming through Midland, through Abilene, around 6 through 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. A little bit of Lubbock as it swings through and gets more of Abilene. And this is some pretty heavy banding. So Abilene, you're probably going to get the worst of the snow while y'all dealing with these storms for tomorrow and the possible tornadoes. And then this all is going to push away. Psalm 11. In the Lord put I my trust. How say ye to my soul, flee as a bird to your mountain? For lo, the wicked bend their bow, they make ready their arrow upon the string, that they may privately shoot at the upright in heart. If the foundations be destroyed, what can righteous do? The Lord is in his holy temple. The Lord's throne is in heaven. His eyes behold, his eyelids try the children of men. The Lord trieth the righteous, but the wicked and him that loveth violence, his soul hateth. Upon the wicked he shall rain snares, fire, and brimstone, and a horrible tempest. This shall be the portion of their cup. For the righteous Lord loveth righteousness. His countenance doeth behold the upright. Amen. May God bless you, keep you all safe. Hold tight, guys. It is going to be one of the strongest days. A lot more power outages are coming. I'm hoping that I'm reaching y'all before you get your power outages so you know what to expect. May God bless you and restore you to your full strength. Bring y'all power back very quickly, and I hope there's not any more problems. I did hear on the news that we already lost 3 people due to this. So please share this information. Let other people know what they can expect, what left is coming. That way we don't see any more death, as least as possible. Let's do the best we can to help our brothers and sisters. Thank you so much for your help. May God bless you as well. And remember, all glory does go to Yahweh, our Father in heaven. And may He watch upon you and keep you and your family safe, especially during this event. Amen. Hallelujah. God bless you all.